Hello everybody and welcome back. I'm really excited to share with you today my new kit for September. It's called Typography and this has been an absolute delight to put together. I have created 18 pages and as I said, this has been so much fun putting together, researching different fonts and different typesets and all those kind of things. I love typewriters, so that was definitely going to be included in here. I have lots of old postcards and invoices and things and adverts, so it was really nice going through those as well and picking out bits from there that I could use in this kit. Of course, typewriter keys, but it's a really nice grungy kit as well. There are a couple of plainer pages for journaling, but most of them are quite kind of heavily decorated. But as I said, this was such fun to put together. I really like the kind of rustic grungy colours of this. My design team have been quite excited by this as well, and have already made a start. I do have a Linktree list of my design team down below. Please go and check them out, show them some love and support. Not all of them have YouTube channels, but if they do, it'd be great if you subscribed there. Some of them just post on social media, so Instagram and Facebook, so make sure that you are following there too. I know they'd really appreciate your support. As I said, it was really fun trying to source different fonts and things for typography. Obviously these are kind of the magazine letters. These are really cool little kind of sketchy numbers. Measuring tapes I really love as well, looking at the different fonts and the different ways that they're displayed. Yeah, this really was just a joy to put together. I cannot wait to start my project on this. I'm going to start this weekend. And yeah, I'll have a video out Sunday where I kind of share the first lot of freebies and what I'm doing for my project. So that was all the journaling pages. These are now the ephemera pages. So again, still in the same sort of keeping of theme. So I've got postcards and invoices and things on that envelope. There's a file folder. We've got some tags that again have some of the adverts and music paper and different bits from the kit. So we've got some different sizes as well, just to have a little play around with. We've got then some smaller cutter parts as well, so some different labels, some tabs, and then like I said, just some smaller elements for decorating. We've then got a few different pockets, so we've got these kind of layered pockets, we've got a small pocket and then a much larger one. And lastly, we have these Rolodex cards. They have got tabs on and I have put them in different places so that when they stack together, you've got one in each spot. And then we've got a couple of little sort of frames and things down the bottom as well. So they're the 18 pages that you get in this kit. I really hope that you like this kit too. Like I said, it was such a pleasure putting together. I'm looking forward to working with this kit. There is a discount as well, but it's only for the month of September. So make sure that you grab it while it is on the discount. As usual, there will be some freebies coming for September as well. The first lot of freebies will be out this Sunday. I will be releasing a video where I share those. And as I said, I'll start working on my project as well. Well, that's all from me today. As I said, I just wanted to share this kit with you. I really hope that you enjoy this kit and I'm looking forward to seeing what you create with this and the freebies this month. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.